Akataka dika na bogu nanya enene nwito monyo yaga no echemi mojodu odogu barangize maloku churi ya mama ifende mofulu nanya kwetezi anu oya na kwele kwetala ya makabelu go kose lusinu olobudu na lukolu
Mbadike ekwe mgbadike ekwe mgbadike onye na-akpakwanụ mgbadike nwekwere ihe ọ na-emekwe nne avụdị mkpa fologo ogologo imi ya kwadezi okwu nnukwu mmadụ galụ nnukwu alụsị ọkpamụnwa mgbadike na-aga makọrọ gị akụkọ igwe banụ na-eji m akụkọ wee bịa nnụnụ ọkwa nna ga n'obodo anyị n'afọ ka na-akọ akụkọ gị ụmụaka na-akọ akụkọ gị ụmụokoro na-akọkwa akụkọ gị ụmụ agbọghọ na-akọ akụkọ gị asị niile na-achịkwa n'anyị nwa si n'ịma chịkwa n'anyị igwe mwesifa onye na-ekwu nwekwere ihe ọ na-emenụ nne igwe si igwe niile mekwere ya bụ ihe nne mwesi igwe ọnwụ ga-egbu gị bịa gbuo n'ugbo ọnwụ ji egbu igwe ebe anyị ya bịa n'ugwe n'ọbịa dị ike maka ọnwụ ugbo igwe ebe anyị onye ga-achịkwa n'obodo anyị mana ogbu ọja dị ike igwe obodo anyị ga-adịrị gawakwa nne mmọnwụ eyi igwe igwe daalụ
akweke orima akweke orima orima my dorima akweke orima akweke orima dorima 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 my dorima akweke orima akweke orima akweke orima akweke orima
What is it?
Mother, there's something I need to talk to you about.
What is it?
This has been bothering me for a long time. And I'm not happy at all.
What is it?
Mother, take a look around you. Look at where we live. Living in the midst of nowhere. No friends, no family, no relatives. Where did we descend from?
My daughter, we are here because this is where fate has brought us.
Well, Mother, there should be a reason for it. Please tell me what I need to know. Please, Mother.
It's of no essence for you to know. No need to know anything.
Mother, that is where you get it wrong. I deserve to know my roots.
Olamiri, can you please forget about this thing and let us prepare something for dinner before it is late, please?
Mother, stop. It is better you tell me my roots, or I'll be forced to leave you here, relocate to another kingdom where I can make friends and live amongst humans, not animals.
Yeah, yeah.
Good evening, Your Highness. Good evening.
What is good about the evening? You've not been able to give me a child. You're saying good evening, good evening. Look, I want to think. I want to think.
My king, it's not my fault. Only the gods give children. It's not my fault.
Leave my presence. Leave my presence. I want to think.
I'm sorry.
Mother, you promised to give answers to my questions when we are done cooking. I'm listening.
Olamiri, your people rejected you.
My people? Who are my people?
Obinata people.
Why? What did I do to offend them?
It is not your fault, but mine. Our tradition states that a maiden shouldn't conceive without her bride price paid. I had you out of wedlock, and I was banished.
Please. Please. My love. Let me go. Please let me go. Please.
Does it mean you don't have any relative that cares about your welfare? I mean, someone to check on you seldomly. I haven't seen anyone around here.
My mother was the only one who cared and visited me then. But she died 5 months after my banishment. My father is banned from coming to visit me because he's a custodian of the culture. He too died.
Who then is my father?
Let's just say I am your father and your mother.
Mother, please stop this. You cannot be my father. Who is my father?
I cannot be your father, yet I provided you with all your needs from birth. Olamiri, please, stop reopening old wounds. I think I have answered more than enough already.
Well, Mother, your answers are not good enough for me. I need to know more.
Leave that for another day.
What troubles you to the extent that you have to come to the shrine by yourself, which is contrary to the tradition of this land?
It is not a taboo for a troubled queen to visit the shrine of the gods.
Yes, I know it is not a taboo for a troubled queen to visit the shrine of the gods. But you can equally send for me, and I will gladly honor the invitation in the palace.
That I would have done, if only the king, who sees every move I make as a crime, will permit me to have a meeting with you in the palace.
I understand, my queen. But you don't have to blame the king for his actions. He is troubled as well. His mind is always restless. He is worried for his desire to beget a male child, which has not been able to manifest through you.
Ezemo, how do you expect me to bear him a child when he has not laid with me for a very long time?
Huh? My queen, do you want me to believe your last statement?
You have to, because that is actually what brought me to the shrine. Ezemo, please. Please. He is your friend. Help me talk to him. Please.
All right, I will talk to him. Don't worry, I will talk to him.
Thank you, Ezemo. I'll be on my way.
As the unseen birds fly, so the unknown fishes spy. Under the wide sky, the universal mysteries lie. I look up to the cloud. I see the future of Obinato. Beside it, I see you. My fear is, will you be able to live up to expectation?
I am totally confused, Papa. You speak in proverbs.
Of vacancy. When I look at you, I become confused. What is embedded in you? What is behind you? The real thing that makes you. That thing that is behind you, by your left, by your right, before you, inside you, that I cannot assess or interpret. Who are you?
Papa, I am of vacancy. Your son. What I don't understand.
No. I am your subject.
I am of vacancy, inhabitant of Obinato, offspring of Oshimili. Fate of Ududonka, rival of Ezanim, beneficiary of Wangene, the shield of all.
What did you say, Papa? Papa, do what? You call this show of shame, Papa? Welcome. You welcome with disgrace, say, Papa, welcome. Your mates are in the farm. Probably do something reasonable. You are here, fight among yourself. Tell me, Papa, welcome. You call this Papa welcome?
Papa, one on you, one now. The next time she puts on any of my clothes again, I will teach her a bitter lesson.
Shut that hole in your face you call mouth. Look at who is talking. Yesterday you took my pot to the stream. Oh, you think Chineye did not tell me? She told me. Because I wore your stinking abada, you are here making silly noise.
Oh, Chineye, so you are the gossip in this house.
Thank the gods it's coming out from your partner in crime's mouth. Soon, I will set a trap for you that you will fall in someday. And when you do, I will deal with you mercilessly.
Can't do anything. You are just an empty vessel that makes a whole lot of noise.
Hey, just shut up your mouth. Look at all of you. Just look at you. Your maids are in their husband's house. Probably to 1 or 2 kids. You are here, fight among yourselves. Yeah? You are here constituting nuisance in my own compound. Let me warn all of you. The next time I will turn back home to my house and make this show of shame among all of you. What I will do to you, to all of you. Go soon and get more into again. Oh yeah, come go get this man. We love you. Come get this. Come get this.
Look at them. But we are sorry. You sit down, let me go.
Even you.
Is he not there? I'm sorry. Sit down, let me get you.
Mary. Hola, Mary. What is holding her? This is so unlike her. She doesn't waste so much time in the forest. Why is she not back yet? Hello? Hola? Hola, Mary. Hola.
Then, whose fault is it?
Your Highness, like I said earlier, it is not her fault. The gods have not said anything about it. But the queen must not be made uncomfortable in the palace. Remember, Your Highness, that Isioma is your third wife. The ones before her left as a result of the same problem. None of them could give you a child. Your Highness, from all indication, it could not be their fault.
Then, why didn't the gods say
whose fault it is.
Your Highness, if you will heed my advice, continue living with her as a wife. Keep on carrying out your duties normally. Leave the rest for the gods.
What is going on? What is going on?
This is a great sign, Your Majesty. I have to consult the gods immediately.
Gods! Onikebuna nguno bokosisi. Onikebuna nguno bokosisi onikanebe. Onikebuna nguno bokosisi onikanebe. Onikebuna nguno bokosisi onikanebe. Onikebuna nguno bokosisi.
What did God say?
There is royal blood on our land.
Royal blood? From where?
I just said the only thing they told me. The next thing they told me is about the location. Everything will become clear the moment we locate the royal blood, Your Majesty.
The gods told you the location?
Yes, Your Highness.
Good. Now, since you know the location, why don't you go there with the gods to find out what's wrong?
Consider it done, Your Highness.
Good. I'll be waiting.
Where did you say you brought her from?
I saw her like this at Ezanim Forest. I tried to revive her, but all my efforts was to no avail.
And you brought her home? But how can you bring someone you don't know home, even in her condition? What if she dies here? What explanation are you going to give to her people?
Brothers, who brought this dead body to the hut? She's not dead. She's still alive. Oh, from your defense, it's obvious you brought her home. Now the question is, why?
Abaro, you won't believe Obiozo brought this maiden from Ezianem Forest. He wasn't even scared of touching her, and even went to an extra mile of bringing her home.
What? Where's Papa?
Papa went out.
Brother, you better take this maiden back to wherever you got her from. Don't let Papa come back and hear the story I'm hearing. By the way, what were you doing in Ezianem Forest? When has the palm tree you tapped from extend to such distance? I've been tapping for Mazonyekwe at Ezianem Forest for the past 1 week. Brother, you have to take this maiden back to where you got her from before she dies in her hut. She's not going to die. I have a strong feeling she will not die. But the mystery surrounding her condition now is that I have looked all over her. There's no injury or mark on her body indicating that she was beaten by a wild animal. Oh, and yet you brought her home. There is no cut on her body, no wound, no mark to show that she was beaten by any animal. And you brought her home, brother. You brought her home. What could I have done?
What is it, Ezemo?
The gods are here to guide us. Let us keep moving.
nanya wadana Ego nanya wadana Ifuna gulugwe mana dana Ego nanya wadana Ego nanya wadana Zagwo nanya wadana Ifuna gulugwe mana dana Ego nanya wadana Ifuna gulugwe mana dana Ego nanya wadana Ego nanya wadana Zagwo nanya wadana Ifuna gulugwe mana dana Ego nanya wadana Ifuna gulugwe mana dana Ego nanya wadana Ego nanya wadana Ego nanya wadana Ego nanya wadana Ego nanya wadana
What is the Ezemo and the Igwe's guard coming to our compound to do?
I don't know. We'll find out when they arrive here.
Who amongst the three of you brought this maiden here?
Obiozo brought her. Yes, Obiozo brought her. And we have been telling him to take her back wherever he brought her from.
It's true. It's him.
Kai haiba wa yobije kai haiba wa yobije kai haiba wa yobije kai haiba Amungu badanga chobi tebur kai haiba wa yobije kai haiba Funa chobo ngobera nanu kai haiba wa yobije kai haiba
Hola. Hi. The only thing I have, the only thing I live for, who has taken my child? Who have I wronged? Allah, you are my only achievement in life. My only treasure. When Biko come back. Come back, Allah Miriam. Come back. Allah Biko, come back.
Hey, Urumma. Why your mama Ramma? Hey, why your mama Ramma? I didn't know you were going to the stream.
Rosita, what is it? Why is it so difficult for you to let me be?
I'm afraid it's going to be a very difficult task. Yes, I love you. I love you, Oma. Eh? All I need is just a chance from you. Just give me one chance. I swear by the gods not to disappoint you. I swear by the gods. I love you. Please.
Rosita, I cannot give you any chance or a chance. I am already taken. I've told you more than twice that I have a man in my life.
Okay. Fine. I understand, but look, I don't mind being a second one. Yes, I don't mind being the second man. Please, I'm begging. Just one chance, please.
I am in a serious relationship. And there is no chance for another man.
Pusita, go out there. There's so many beautiful maidens out there. Go and look for one for yourself.
It is difficult for me. Hey, Nagwagi, it is difficult for me. I have searched around this village. I have not seen anyone. You are the most beautiful girl in this village.
Because search harder. You need to search harder. It cannot just be me. Search harder. You will find one.
It's difficult to. It's difficult to come. Just give me one chance, please.
Yes,
I can help you.
No, I want to leave. I'm going. Leave me alone.
Oh, ma, please now. Let me even come here. Let me help you.
No! Leave me alone!
Akweke orima, akweke orima. Dorima, my dorima. 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 Akweke orima, akweke orima. Akweke orima, akweke orima.
Akataka dịka na-akpọ ogwu n'anya enene nwite ọgbọnyọkụ gaga n'ogwu echebe igbo ojolu odogwu gbara nkịtị mara okwu juru ya n'ọnụ ife ndị mmụọ fụrụ n'anya kwetezi ya
Okay. I can't wait for the day to come. A day I will take you in as my wife and make you the mother of my unborn children.
My prince, you're the best thing that could ever happen to any maiden. Since my birth, I have encountered so many things worth testifying. But knowing you is a testimony that will last forever. I love you.
And I love you too, Obim. Not even the word can break the bond between us. Not even the crown. If the kingdom is against you, then I'm against the kingdom. Okay, you are the only paradise I want to rule over. I can forfeit the crown just to be with you.
No, my love. I love you and I know you love me too. But the kingdom needs your services and you should serve them.
Obim, and we will serve them together. I love you so much. Come here.
You know that the tradition forbids it.
No, Obim. The tradition only forbids the maidens to conceive without their bride price being paid.
I know, but what if you eventually get me pregnant when you're here to pay my dowry?
I promise to be extremely careful. I promise I will not get you pregnant.
You promise not to get me pregnant?
Yes, I promise. You can trust me on this.
You promise to be careful?
I promise you.
Okay. You know I will do anything to make you happy.
Yes, I know. And that's why I will love you forever and ever and ever. Come here. Wait. Let's go inside. Hmm? Yes. Okay. Let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Okay, my love.
Yes. That you're pregnant isn't the problem. The problem here is who is responsible. And you have refused to say anything to anybody, not even your parents. Machi, tell me, the child you are carrying in your womb, is it my fruit?
No, you're not the father of my own child.
Then, who is responsible?
It's a man from the Oji kingdom.
What? Machi? So you've been seeing another man behind me all this while?
Oh, no.
Machi, I am so disappointed in you. Machi, you are a disgrace.
Oh, no.
I regret every minute, every second I spent loving you.
No, my love, don't say that.
You will bear the consequence of your crime alone.
No, my love, please don't do this to me.
Leave my hands!
Please, my love, please.
I'm out of here.
No, my love, please. My love, please.
Machi. So you've been seeing another man behind me all this while?
Oh, no.
Machi, I am so disappointed in you. Machi, you are a disgrace.
Oh, no.
I regret every minute, every second I spent loving you.
No, my love, don't say that.
You will bear the consequence of your crime alone.
No, my love, please don't do this to me.
Leave my hands!
Please, my love, please.
I'm out of here.
No, my love, please. My love, please. I'm sorry, my love.
So I was actually responsible for this pregnancy.
How could a woman be lying to everyone, even the biological father of her unborn child, that an unknown man is responsible for her pregnancy?
I'm equally surprised as well. But you want to say that woman is lying?
My dear, that woman might have returned to place the responsibility on the king because she might have heard that he has no child. Can't you think?
You have a baseless point to know. But according to the story, a sign was revealed by the gods. Immediately, Olamiri stepped her feet into this kingdom. The gods spoke to the chief priest Okoli, who told the king about it, and they all went in search of her under the direction of the gods. So that woman never came to make claims.
My dear, that may be a mere conspiracy. Have you forgotten that similar situation occurred the last 4 decades? According to my father, the Ezemo then conspired with the Queen Mother to eliminate the king, so they will rule over the kingdom. But their plans didn't come true.
Do you want to say that this is another conspiracy?
I'm not saying that though. I'm not sure.
Then if you don't know, you then keep quiet.
I beg, don't tell me to keep quiet. You will see now. Shebi, we are in this village.
Asampete, how are you?
I'm fine. Can I leave?
I'm still talking and you want to leave?
I'm listening. If it's one of your jokes you want to tell me, say it now so I can leave.
Jogene. Do I look like a joker? Listen, you can't count a handful of men in this kingdom that are more successful than I am. Not even that your lover.
And what has my lover got to do with our conversation now?
Yes, he has got everything to do with it. Because he's the reason why you have been denying me this thing under here.
You want to have a taste of me?
Why not? Who forbids bad thing? Just 5 minutes. Aya boy here has said the thing. Only the cap, I tell you, will be okay for me.
You are very stupid. You are very, very stupid! How dare you! Food meant for great men. Listen and listen carefully. Next time you stop me on the road again and vomit this rubbish, you will regret the day you were born. Rubbish.
Oh, so you think I won't have a taste of that? Don't worry. I foresee the future. And all I see is you coming back to plead for forgiveness from me. Don't worry.
Obiozo, so the king has a daughter and he has been crying to the gods to bless him with one. Huh?
I was shocked by the revelation.
Ah!
But I'm also thankful and grateful to the gods that I played a pivotal role in the actualization of this miracle by the gods.
Nama, I am very proud of you. I'm very, very proud of you, my son.
Thank you, Papa.
I am happy that my family has contributed to the progress of this kingdom. And it will go down to history that a son from my family saved this kingdom.
But Papa, the Igwe having a daughter, does he save his woes?
Yes, he does.
Really?
Yes.
How?
Good question. Good question. You see, the princess will marry a man from this kingdom. And her first son will take over the rulership of this kingdom as the Igwe after the demise of the incumbent Igwe.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay, see me.
Okay, see me. Makona bisicha or danubu.
Obin, you know I love you very much. But what you're asking of me is impossible. What we should be talking about is when you come and see my people, pay my bride price, then officially I'll be yours.
And officially you are saying that I don't have the right to lay with you when I'm here to pay for your bride price?
No. What if I get pregnant in the process and then get banished?
And who will banish you? Oh, no. Listen to me. I will pay your bride price before your pregnancy surfaces. If it would. But I know it won't. Just help me.
That was the same thing Igwe said to Machi many years ago. No.
No, Mama. You don't have to see it that way. It won't be that way. Okay, listen. You now have some feelings. I'm a man. Eh? Or will you rather advise me to go and convince another maiden to do it with me?
How dare you?
Then help me.
I'll think about it. I'll think about it.
Okay. You know, see, let me tell you. You don't even need to think about it. Eh? I know you like it. Eh? You want to? Yes, no.
Yeah.
Igwe, I greet you. May you live long. Elders of our land, I greet you. We greet you too. Your Highness, today marks the 7th market day we celebrated the return of your lost daughter and her mother. We, the elders of Obinato Kingdom, will be honored to know the effort you have made in retaining the kingship in your family. And we are also sure that by now you have briefed our daughter, Olamiri, what is expected of her as the princess of this great kingdom. Igwe. No, I thank you very much for speaking the minds of all the elders here. I'm honored. You have just proved to me that if I join my ancestors today, you will all guarantee the preservation of our customs and our tradition, for which I am very grateful to you for that. I want to be very honest with you. I have not as yet briefed my daughter accordingly on what is expected of her. The reason being that I thought she requires more time to get through the ordeal from which she emerged. But I can assure you that before too long, I will brief her on what is expected of her. Kindly bear with me.
That's good. Your Highness, greetings. We are very pleased with your response. And the duties of ourselves, the members of the Traditional Council, is to assist you when necessary. And we are also eager to discharge that responsibility.
Yes, Your Highness.
Your Highness.
I'm honored, and I thank all of you very much. Darling.
Our four can see. Akweke! The daughter of Ezanim. You don't belong here. You don't belong here! What are you doing in my land?
And who are you to remind me of my boundaries?
I am Okole, the messenger, the great messenger of the gods.
Mere messengers do not question goddesses. Yet, you question Akweke!
Not when the limited goddess trespass into the sacred soil where she is forbidden. Be it known to you at this moment that the land upon which you are standing is placed under my care. Here, traitors are prohibited.
Okoli! It is wise for one to know his superiors. You butterfly that think itself a bird. I can easily destroy you with a blink of an eye. On these bones shall your blood be served.
The battle is not between you and I. I am a messenger of the gods of Obinato. The war is between you, Oshimili, Udidonka, and Wangere, the three sacred rivers that guide and protect the boundaries of Obinato.
Now you know your position as a mere messenger. Now step out of my path.
I act in accordance with the dictates of the gods. You are not competent to give orders to me.
Okoli! Okoli!
What is it, Father?
She is coming. She is getting close. I can see her coming.
Father, who is this she? Who is she?
Your destiny. Your fate.
Oh, Father. Father, who is this you refer to as my destiny? As my fate? Who is she? Father, you're getting me confused.
Ofokansi. Ofokansi. You are the future. I only said what I saw through you. You are the mirror of Obinato.
Your face looks familiar. You look like someone I've seen more than once.
Yes, my princess. I'm actually the young man that saved your life in the forest while you were unconscious.
Oh, yes. Yes. I remember. Please, I'm very sorry. I should have come to say thank you for at least saving my life. It's just that, you know, I just arrived at the palace. I'm still trying to learn new things. So I've been a little bit busy.
No problem, my princess. You see, I am not asking for compensation. I'm only glad that the gods used me to save your life. I mean, not just any life, but your life.
At least you deserve to be thanked. Thank you very much. I'm really grateful.
You're welcome, my princess.
Can I ask for a favor?
Go ahead, my princess.
Can you come to see me at the palace tomorrow?
been my father. I have been faithful to you. What is my fate? What is my fate, Father? I have served you dutifully. I have done everything you have asked of me. What do you want of me?
My daughter, the time has come. Your end is fast approaching.
My end?
Yes, your end. The white moon has turned red, and it has touched the fertile soil. There is no other remedy. Make preparation to be welcomed in the special abode prepared for you by your loving Father. You have a paradise to rule.
When is the appointed time?
You just have 150 days from today.
As it pleases you, my Father.
You were leaving without even telling me.
Your Highness, I thought you were resting, so I decided not to disturb.
Well, that's very thoughtful of you. I thank you again for what you did for my kingdom and my daughter. In due course, I shall compensate you adequately.
Thank you very much, Your Highness. You see, what happened was planned by the gods. Because the forest I picked the princess is a place where people rarely enter. Apart from the fact that it is distant, it is entirely isolated.
Thank you for your modesty. And Obiaza, right?
Yes, sir.
There is something else I'd like to discuss with you. Sit down.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Greetings, the bright morning sun. I honor the three sacred rivers that abide within Obinata. I pledge my royalty, and I plead for thy grace not to cut short my reign. Grant me the grace, the privilege to witness this rolling storm, even if for a day, before answering the call of nature.
You rescued my daughter. Have you ever toyed with the possibility of getting married to her?
Your Highness, sincerely, I have never thought of that. But I immensely appreciate that. But Your Highness, I barely know your daughter. And I doubt if she knows me. And on that, I have a feeling that she may not even love me.
You're wrong there. You know, you never know with women. You rescued her. That's a topic in itself. So when you sit down to talk with her, she will be expressing her gratitude to you for rescuing her. Then you tell her how pretty she is. I mean, every woman likes to be massaged occasionally. So if you tell her how attractive she is, she's going to respond by saying thank you. Then you can start. So I suggest you give yourself a chance.
Thank you very much, Your Highness. I will do that.
Very good. I'd want to see you again before too long.
Thank you.
All right. You can go well, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Rocococo. Yeah. Obodo na we make adjustment. We call on Nkene, we call on Odidinka, we call on Nezani, we call on Noshi.
Let's deal with her. Fool! I told you. Onyinye, you have time. Let's deal with her. Onyinye, what is it? What is it? What is it this early morning? What have I done to you? You still have cause to be running your mouth. Okwaya? Eh? Come on, stay here. After snatching my man and his upper from me, you are here running your mouth, questioning me. Yeah? Do you think you are the only beautiful maiden in this community? Onyinye, you are still here, exchanging words with this imbecile. Let's deal with her. Give me that phone. Stop! Come here! Onyinye! Stupid girl!
What's happening here? Are you not ashamed of yourselves? How can two of you be fighting just one person? Or is it because she's more beautiful than you both?
Who is this fool talking?
I can only see a wretched hunter who hunts with cutlass, while his mate hunts with guns, whose father died a wretched and painful death, and his mother ran away and left him.
Tell him.
You can say that to your cursed father.
Eh?
Yes. Your cursed father with 5 daughters. Very useless. Without even half a son to succeed him. Man.
Hey! Did you just vomit that out of your mouth? Hey!
Is your father not cursed? With 5 female children that even at their late 30s, they are still under their father's hut. All you can do better is to find someone who is young enough to be your daughter. Or is it because you think she's big? You people are old!
Onyinye, you are still standing there. And this useless man is insulting our family like this. Let's teach him a lesson.
So, come. What do you want to do? Fight me? Come one more step and see if your heads will not roll on the ground. Man, I will behead you and nothing will happen. You want to fight me? Do something funny and I will behead you here.
So when are you coming to see my people?
You're persistent that I cannot live with you until I do the right place.
Yes, because I know the implication. I don't want to be banished. Or do you want me banished?
No, my love, I do not wish that for you. But I am a man who has urges too. And remember, the tradition only forbids maiden from getting pregnant out of wedlock.
What is the difference? It's just an indirect means of passing a message. It's also a means of telling us to abstain from sex. If you cannot keep yourself together, why not unpay my diary?
You know I'm the third son of my family. And I cannot get married before my two elder brothers.
Then wait till they all get married. I can't take the risk of me being banished.
You do not love me.
You know I love you. So why are you talking like this?
And what was your own response?
I made him understand that marrying Olamiri is a great opportunity. I mean, a privilege I would love to have. But I'm not yet convinced. I mean, I'm not sure that she will love me too. Though Diego suggested I should make the approach first of all and then get back to him on her response.
Good. Very good. This is another golden opportunity for us. Yes. Do you know what that implies?
What?
Good. It simply means we are now, or we will become one of the members of the royal family. We will be accorded so many privileges and recognitions in this kingdom, making our family next to the royal family. And I, Ozemena, will be placed on a higher authority than you know. Yes.
Papa, I know it's a great opportunity, but we don't have anything to celebrate now. Because I'm yet to discuss this with her.
But it doesn't matter. I don't tough. Once you are there, you are there. You will be also remember. That name is not for nothing. Not yet.
Good morning, my queen. Isoma, are you not the one I am greeting?
And when did it become a tradition that I must respond to every greeting? By the way, what is good about this awful morning?
I don't understand what your problem is. Why are you so uncomfortable in my presence? Tell me.
That is because you do not belong here. Yes. Return to Ezra, where you and your daughter belong. That is when you will gain peace in this palace.
Isioma, let me tell you, I have been through a lot of frustrations and agony, and I will not take it from anyone anymore. If I had taken the chance then, you wouldn't have smelt royalty. And let me tell you, the king will not bat an eyelid if I tell him I'm in support of your divorce. Be careful, or I will make it very uncomfortable for you. Do not take my calmness for stupidity. Be warned.
God. Go and call me my daughter, Olamiri, quickly.
akataka dịka na-akpọgbu n'anya enene nwite ọgbọnyọbi ya ga n'okwu echebe ime ojoru.
Did you see the way the queen walked out after the conversation she had with the new queen?
My dear, I'm surprised though. Do you know, I never knew another woman could actually defeat our queen in a confrontation until today. See the way she could not even say anything. Look at the way she was just staring at the woman. She was just looking, she was just staring in disappointment and shame. She could not say anything. She was so short of words. See, I know by now she will be regretting the reason why she initiated the insult in the first place. That serves her right.
I'm so happy the queen is not the kind of woman you toy with. She is a perfect match to the new queen.
See, by now I'm sure that she must have learned her lessons and know that her stay in this palace is at stake. And now she will do anything to avoid her colleague, who bore the only child to our Igwe. My dear, don't say I'm the one that told you. Please, just go.
And that is why she has the upper hand and influence on the king.
I never knew some women are this wicked and jealous. Just because she couldn't have a child, she became jealous of someone that has one.
Neka, let me tell you something. You know, she thought the new queen is so dull. But unknown to her, she's a lioness and a very clever one at that when it comes to protecting her rights. I think she's very jealous of the privileges accorded to the new queen as the queen mother. But there's this thing she keeps forgetting, that this very queen made so much sacrifices for that king to be seated on the throne, which even cost her so much humiliations and agony.
Don't mind her. Come, let's go to the queen's house before she starts looking for us. I'm happy she even gave her the dosage of what she deserves.
Oh my God. Let's go.
Brother, wait first. You've been smiling all through. What is the secret? Who made you happy?
Are you sure brother hasn't found for himself a maiden?
Something bigger than that. I have found a wife for myself. Yes.
Brother, wait. But I haven't heard from you once that you have a serious maiden in your life. Not to talk of a wife to be.
Again. No, you think everybody is you that would date a woman for so many years before getting married to her? I don't need to do that. Yes.
But brother, tell us, who is this maiden that you love so much and you think doesn't deserve a proper assessment before taking her in as a wife?
Who is she?
Yes. Say it our hearing.
You want to know?
Yes.
Olamiri. Olamiri Wanyoma.
Olamiri the princess?
Yes.
Brother, tell me you're joking.
No! I'm not joking. In fact, she accepted to marry me this morning. Since then, I can't even get over the excitement. In fact, every time I remember it, I am filled with smiles.
And you waited for us to ask you before giving us this lovely news.
I was waiting for the right time.
Do you know what you will do now? Go back to the house and rest like a man, so that me and Anizoba will go to the farm and finish the whole farm work.
Finish everything.
My lovely brothers. As if you know, I'm too excited to work. You know you are now voice, and I'm about to be a man. You know, so I need to go and be talking with the men while the boys go and work.
Let's go home and sleep. Sleep.
I'll see when you come back.
But brother is lucky. I'm
telling you.
Brother is lucky.
Don't wonder he's very happy.
Bro, that doesn't look at me.
I assembled all of you at such short notice because I have a very important announcement to make. At last, my daughter has finally chosen a husband. And I'm so happy. I have decided to finance the marriage. I have fixed the next Eke market day to be the date, and you're all invited. Come with your entire family.
Igwe! May you live long. Igwe, you have spoken well. Yes, you've just informed the entire cabinet that you are going to finance this occasion. And we all know that you are equal to the task. Your Highness, I want to seek your permission to inform the town crier to announce to the entire people of Ubinato Kingdom of this joyful occasion.
You have my permission.
This is good news indeed. Please that the gods we serve have decided to put a smile on your face.
Your Highness, I get once again, not just the Igwe alone, but the entire kingdom at large. They say when a happy king rules, the kingdom which he rules becomes happy. That's Your Highness, I greet you.
Open that door. Hey! Rielo! Hey! Mono! Hey! Mama! May the God be praised. Obiozo. So this is how you left me. How? Obiozo.
Hey. What could be the explanation to this tragedy? He died the very night he paid Princess dowry.
I am confused as well. Who could be responsible for his death? Nobody in this kingdom rivaled the princess with him. Then, who then has good reason for his death, for taking his life? Hey!
That is the question. None of us here could provide answer, except the gods. They alone have the explanation to all this.
I am yet to recover from the emotional trauma his death gave to me. According to his father, he never complained of any illness, not to talk about headache.
And that is why everyone is left in a great shock. But let us wait for Koli, the chief priest, to see what the gods have to say concerning his death.
You are right. We have to wait. Let's go.
Your Highness.
Who killed Obiozo? What did the gods say? What did Obiozo do? What is it that he did that the gods couldn't condone and so had to kill him? Obiozo recovered my daughter. Obiozo is pivotal to the survival of this kingdom. What has he done that he just had to die? What did he do?
Your Highness, nobody looks for anything where there is nothing. The gods are silent. The death of Obiozo remains a mystery, even to the gods.
What?
Meaning that the gods do not even have answers to that.
What are you saying?
Are you telling me that the gods do not have answers to the true killers of my son? Is that what you're telling me?
The gods have not said anything about that. Let me advise. Let us all remain calm.
Don't tell me to remain calm. Don't tell. That boy was my son-in-law.
Your Highness.
We all remain calm and allow the gods to unveil the truth. Bearing in mind that everything must be done in accordance with the tradition of our land.
What tradition? What tradition? Tell us.
That same tradition that makes it compulsory for any maiden who gets married to a man and the man dies without impregnating the maiden, that such maiden must remarry to the next brother of her late husband. And that tradition the princess must abide. I'll take my leave. I'll take my leave.
You're telling me to keep calm?
Yeah,
I believe that Ezemo must be conspiring with the gods to be silent. Otherwise, why will he tell us that the gods don't even know what happened to him? Why? And he is recommending that another son of the same family go marry that same person and die as well. Tell me that the gods don't know. I will believe you. Yeah, the gods don't know. Keep calm. I am keeping calm.
It's okay, my daughter. It is not the end of the world. Tears cannot bring him back to life. If it was something that was possible, you have cried enough to have revived him. Stop blaming yourself. You did not kill him.
No, Mother. I did. Mother, I killed him. Mother, I heard him scream when he was about to lay with me. And then he said he wasn't in the mood. And then he apologized. Before we slept off, I told him he was fine. Only for me to wake up this morning on top of his corpse. Mother, tell me, how else can you explain that?
Even at that, my daughter, you did not kill him. I don't want you to blame yourself. Maybe the gods killed him. For whatever reason best known to them. Please, I don't want you to ever make that statement again that you killed him. I don't want you to say it in the hearing of anybody, not even your father.
But why, Mother?
Because I said so.
Father, what did the gods say? Who killed Obiozo?
I wish I have answers to your question, my son. The gods refused to speak to my hearing. But never mind. The gods will soon speak to me. Or to someone even greater than myself.
Oh, Father, who is greater than you in this kingdom? In the matters concerning the gods? Who?
Of what can see? Anama to ike or diko n'olu. Ewefe aka n'azụ ọbụla ike. It is you. It is you. I was just privileged to beget you. Time will tell.
Anisoba, don't tell me you are willing to get married to Olamiri the princess after your brother's death.
As if I have an option. I just wish I have one, but I don't. The punishment is unbearable if I resist. So I'm stuck in between. I'm scared. I'm really scared.
You see, my good friend, I understand how you feel.
You see, disobeying the tradition will certainly inflict a great calamity upon you. But getting married to the princess may or may not subject you to the same calamity. So I advise you obey the tradition. Yes, it's safer than not.
I'm confused. I'm confused. Enough calamity have befallen my family already. I'm just confused.
Take heart. Let's just hope for the best. Nothing will happen to you. You will be safe. Just have faith. Okay? Nothing will happen to you. You just have to obey the tradition. And I pray that the gods of our land will see you through. But what's the fate of Nkoroma now? What happens to her?
Nkoroma is the least of my problems.
I see. Just take heart, my friend.
I'm calling you now.
What is it? What is it, sister? What is it?
Anyway, can't you see that we're meant for each other? Can't you see? The man you loved and cared for is getting married to the princess tomorrow. Or are you not aware?
Why are you saying all this now? No, you want me to shed tears and get heartbroken?
No, not at all. I can never wish you go through such. I'm only telling you. Come back to me. Come back to me.
Let me educate you. Because I know there's sometimes you're not. I loved him. And Anujaba loved me too. He's only doing this because of tradition and for the sake of his life.
And that is why he doesn't deserve a beauty like you. He doesn't. Look, I swear by the gods, I can trade my life for your happiness. You know me. You know me. And if I were in his shoes, I would disobey the tradition and I don't care about the consequences. I don't. Come back to me. Just give me this one chance that I've always asked for.
I'm looking for the person I need to give a chance. Look at who is talking. Look at you. You that cannot even kill common lizard for the one you claim to love. You are just oral. You only talk and you can't do. May the gods forbid I ever have anything to do with you. If you like, go to war with the gods. If you like, go to battle with the gods. I'd rather end up with Anyogu than to spend 1 hour with you. Nonsense.
Yeah, Oma, wait, just wait. Why do you hate me so much in this village? Why do you hate me? What can that Anyogu of a man do that I cannot do? Let him now. I'm even stronger.
You keep saying look at you, look at you. I'm not seeing what? Bia, let me warn you. Or rather, let me explain it to you. He is better than you. He doesn't discriminate. He is focused. When he says he wants something, he goes for it. It's not like you that lazy about and does not have a focus. Please, get up from my front.
Me? Mama, me, myself, you told me this. I will get you. I will get you in this village. And when I enter that place, when I enter that particular place, I will remind you that I said so. Why is she being difficult?
Hey! Gods of my ancestors, what did I do? What did I do to deserve all this? Losing 2 sons in 6 market days. What did I do? What did I do? Oshimiri Ginekamel. Wangane, Tududonka, what is my offense? Ha! Alele. Alele buem.
The hour is here. The time has come. The forbidden has risen. A successor is needed. Who will go? Who will go? Who will go?
Am I cursed?
You're not. Please don't say that again.
Then what happened, Mother? What happened? The same thing, it repeated itself again. What happened, Mother?
You mean you woke up on top of his corpse?
Yes.
Your Highness. If I don't believe we're going to cook a jacha, Makanana had the babu miliaji. You don't forcefully get into the ban of yam and forcefully remove a tuber of yam. It's not done. The gods are still adamant on this matter.
Why?
I tried my best to make them speak to my hearing, but to no avail. And if they continue to be adamant on it, we have no option than to go ahead with our tradition.
Bia, Ezemo, are you telling us that the last son of Ozomena will get married to the princess in the next 3 market days if the god did not speak to us? Is that what you're telling us?
No, this is our tradition.
Over my dead body. Ezemo, over my dead body. That will not happen.
Ozomena, this is our tradition.
Ozomena, we can feel your pains. We all understand what you are passing through. But remember, you are a tattooed man. You are a custodian of a culture and tradition. You can't go against it.
Nonsense! Nonsense, Obara! Tradition my food. I'd rather be expelled from the Igwe's cabinet than watch my 3 sons die in quick succession. It's not possible. Ezemo, go and tell the gods. Tell them that if they have gone dumb, that I, Ozomena, that I have gone deaf. I cannot give in my 3rd son. I cannot.
Ozomena,
my king.
Sit down.
Hey!
Sit down. Ozomena, I know exactly how you feel. If I were in your position, I would have felt the same. As the chief custodian of our culture and tradition, I feel absolutely helpless in a situation like this. It will be inhuman of me to ask you to donate a 3rd son simply to ensure that he goes the way of the first 2. I'll be very, very reluctant to do that. For the first time in my life, I am faced with a situation where even though I'm king, I am completely helpless. I'm helpless.
Igwe, may your reign be long. I will not do what Ezemo said. Ezemo, go and tell the gods that I, Ozomena, that I will not do it. I will not give in my 3rd son. I'd rather hang myself than watch my 3 sons die in my very presence. It's not possible. I will not do it. Or your question, Abuya. Ezemo, go and tell them. Tell them that I will not do it. Hey!
Nesi ya kwana mmanwụ. Nesi ya na na ọbụ mmụọ, esi ya kwana mmanwụ. Ọzọ nesi ya na na ọbụ mmụọ, esi ya kwana mmanwụ. Nesi ya na na ọbụ mmụọ, esi ya kwana mmanwụ. Eze kwesi ya na na ọbụ mmụọ, esi ya kwana mmanwụ. Nesi ya na na ọbụ mmụọ, esi ya kwana mmanwụ. Obodo esi ya na na ọbụ mmụọ, esi ya kwana mmanwụ. Nesi ya na na ọbụ mmụọ, esi ya kwana. Not just you, Ozemena. Ozemena, not just you, but your entire family.
Let us all die. Ezemo, let us all die. Go and tell them that Ozemena will not give in his third son. My 2 sons died in quick succession. And you want the third one? It's not possible. It's not possible. I will not do it. Go and tell them. Tell them that my son will not marry the princess. Adam, hear me? Hey!
Wasingo njane kuru nanje, wasingo njane kuru nanje, wasingo njane kuru nanje, wasingo njane kuru nanje, wasingo njane kuru. Be warned. Ozemena, be warned! Do not say I did not warn you.
Akataka dika na bobu nanya, ene ne wito monyo, yaka no, ejemi mojo, odogu warangize maloku kuya nono, ifete mwafulo nanya kwete sianu, oye ne kwele kwete laya, makabelu go kose lusinu, oloputu nana luponu no, iyo.
Ya Uche, you mean you didn't see me? Can you not that week here, Amusu?
Yeah. Ediligedi. Listen and listen good. All family, Nena Nagi, Ohalilamusu. So this your ace for fancy. You are the only one in this village that is still ignorant about Anizoba's death.
Anizobakwa?
Uche. No Nongo.
What killed him?
What killed him? That's the major concern. No tangible story, the same story that was told about the death of his elder brother, Obiozo. Ufakoka kokwara. Hi.
Ufakoka habu one year.
Ufakoka.
But how can that family be so careless? Like why?
See, Osta, I am not blaming anyone. My anger is that I warned him. I warned Anizoba, my friend. I warned him to stay off that same mistake his brother made. I warned him. But he didn't listen. He paid deaf ear. Now look at where it has landed him. To his early grave. Both of them. He has died. 6 feet.
Hell, you want to know Nkegi? That doesn't mean you should be walking around the village like a mad person, talking to yourself. Makiyobara, Biko, do you want to join them?
So I shouldn't mourn my friend's death. Akoya? I shouldn't mourn him. What's wrong with you?
Okay, keep talking to the trees now. Keep talking to the trees and the flowers in the village.
My friend, you go home.
That's Okasi live there. Talk to it. I've told you, my
friend. It's a family problem.
How can you be talking to yourself on the road because of somebody's death? Makiyobara, that's your business.
But two people at the same time. What's happening in this village?
This can't be. Of course, something's supposed to be done. Yes.
You are very wicked, Ichiokpara. Very wicked and evil man, that's what you are. Wait, how could you support the decision of Ezemo for Zomene to allow his last son make the same mistake the 2 elder brothers made? How could you? You are wicked and evil, Ichiokpara. That's what you are, evil and wicked.
Who is talking? Look at this frustrated, impotent, and senseless man talking back at me. Oh, no. By the way, who invited in our discussion, in this discussion that's being handled by capable men like us? Who invited you?
You call yourself capable man because you feed your hearts with useless daughters. Who in his right sense will consider that a blessing, if not a curse? Let me put it to you. You are cursed by the gods with daughters whom no man will ever seek their hands in marriage. I rather remain childless than to put myself in the course you dwell in. I would rather remain childless.
You are still talking back at me. Oh no. Oh no. Tell him to mind his utterances. If not, I will use my walking stick and break his head. Tell him now.
What are you talking? You think my own walking stick is for fun? Do it if I will not break your head. I'm making it. I should do it. Enough. No, leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Enough.
Let me teach you a lesson.
No.
We are too old for all this.
He's calling me a childless man.
So it's enough. It's enough.
Very important. Yes. Don't you know?
It's enough. It's enough. It's enough.
No, leave me alone.
It's enough. It's enough.
Leave me alone.
No, come.
We are too old for all this. We are too old for all this. Instead of planning for a way forward on how to solve our calamities, you are here fighting, quarreling, and apportioning blames. Please.
Is it not this important fool?
It's alright.
You call yourself a blessed man?
Yes.
Let me break his head.
Enough. Look.
Oh no, leave me.
Enough.
See you.
It's enough. We are too old. We are too old for all this. We are too old for all this. It's okay.
Because he has children.
It's okay.
And I don't have.
It's okay.
It's cost.
It's okay. Let's go. It's okay. Let's go. It's all right. Papa, are you suggesting I make the same mistake Anizoba made by not learning from the fate of Obiozo?
Mistake? Did you say mistake? No. It was not your brother's fault, but mine. Because I failed to read meaning from the handwriting on the wall. But now, I have. And such mistake will never repeat itself again. Nah, you are not getting married to any princess. Let the dumb gods do their worst.
Thank you so much, Papa. I am so proud to have you as a father. Papa, man, I can't jump into a burning flame, knowing its implication. I'd rather be swollen by flood in my heart. So when I die, I can at least tell my makers what killed me.
My son, I am solidly behind you. You go in and finish what you're doing in the kitchen.
Thank you, Papa.
Make sure you roast that uruma very well.
Papa, I'll add it plenty salt.
Good. Tradition. What stupid tradition? My lineage cannot go into any tragic end because of one stupid tradition. Mbakwa.
Akweke orima, dori my dori. 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 Akweke orima, dori my Dorima, kweke orima, Dorima, my Dorima, kweke orima, Dorima, my Dorima, akweke 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 orima.
The time have come. The appointed time it is now. And you shall serve nothing but your faith. For your faith lies here.
Hey! Nabude, look at me. Look at my son. Look at my son. I can't afford to lose my only surviving son.
No, but
I can't afford to lose him.
You won't lose him. But wait, what happened? How did he get to this stage?
I heard him scream at the middle of the night. And when I ran to his hut to know what the problem was, he was already dumb and could not explain to me what happened.
I just thought about something.
What is it?
Could this not be his punishment from the gods for going against the tradition? We should go and inquire from the chief priest before the matter gets worse. Yeah, you better do that. Yeah.
Let me go and get my walking stick.
Do, before it gets worse.
No.
Hurry.
Greetings, Ezemo.
Messenger of the throne, what is expected of me from the king?
He demands your presence at the palace immediately, and he said you should come with me.
We'll be right behind you.
British white work. We are on our way to your hut.
Yes. On your way to my hut?
Yes.
I said, but you can see I'm already going out. But to lessen your stress and shorten your journey, I have to attend to you here and now. For I know your mission.
You do?
I know your purpose of visit. You failed in your responsibility. And that is why your son is passing through that predicament. Get him to do the needful immediately, else that will continue. He will continue. He will remain in that condition till the point of death. The choice is yours. What do we do now?
A python crawled into her room, climbed on her, and curiously did not harm her at all.
Your Highness, when did that dream take place?
She alerted the entire palace with her scream. This afternoon.
It took place this afternoon?
Yes.
What is the python doing in the palace? Of all places, a python was found in the palace. Your Highness, this is a bad sign.
I feel so.
Something is wrong somewhere. or something will be wrong very, very soon. Somewhere. But why did the gods not reveal this danger to me? I have to be in the shrine right away. And let me dig this mystery.
The earlier the better. The entire community is dependent on it.
Akweke, what are you doing here?
And who restricted me from visiting my father's land?
No longer your home. You were banned from this land during the Ikeji festival.
No Koli, son of Abaka. Obinato only chose Idiobo as their preferred god and relegated me to the background as deputy. And I'm still the goddess in charge of fertility.
You are not relevant to this land anymore, no.
No one banned my father's Zanim. I have come to anoint my successor.
Your successor? Interesting. And who might that be?
The ornament that can only grace the loins of gods. Olamiri.
No! No! She's my only hope of ensuring that this tool remains here in this kingdom.
It is not your choice to make.
Don't know what you're talking about.
It is not your choice to make, Mbadike.
Even before she was conceived, it was destined.
And Ezani must get what he desires. Else, I shall seize the fertility of Obinato, and it will become history.
I say you cannot. You cannot.
Dori my Dori ma. Akweke orima, kweke orima. 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 Dori my Dori ma. Akweke orima, kweke orima.
What did that mean?
The price
Why?
too much. Hey, this tradition is killing us.
Your Highness, I shall return
And we will make
very soon.
adjustment. We call on Nkene, we call on Odidinka. Yeah.
Ghosts of our ancestors! Calamity is about to befall the entire kingdom of Obinato. And you cannot be silent and watch your people perish. Rise! Awake! Ghosts of our ancestors! Speak to me! Speak to me, Idiogbo!
This tradition is killing us, and we will make adjustment. We call on Nkene, we call on Odidinka, we call on Nezali, we call on Oshimili.
No! No! Ghosts of our ancestors! Speak to me now! If I am no longer worthy of hearing from you, make it known to me. Make it known to me now! than making me a subject of mockery. Wipe this shame off my face. Wipe this shame off my face, Idiobo. I have been a loyal servant to you. Truthful, sincere, dedicated. I've been giving you all you desire. I have not gone against you for once. Open up! Speak to me now! If you don't speak to me right now, I will leave. I will turn my back, never to return. Your Highness, we must not continue to wait on them. We have limited time. Akweke is yet to set her foot on our land, and that we must not allow. Because if we allow that, it don't mean we have allowed calamity to befall us.
Akweke was here today, and they said she has not set foot on our land. She was here today.
No, Your Highness. It was her spirit that appeared here. Her body is far away, but near.
What difference does that make?
We have to act fast.
Ezemo, please tell us, what are we supposed to do, please? Biko.
The egg of fertility must be brought into this kingdom before her arrival. Failing which, our women will cease to conceive, even bear fruit for generations to come. And you know what that means? You know what that means? It means that the entire Obinato kingdom will cease to exist. Idiogbo fought Ezanim and defeated him. Ezanim's worship was abolished, although he retained the egg of fertility. He grew stronger with the egg, and it became a very big threat to the entire kingdom of Obinato. It is this egg of fertility that we must retrieve from Ezanim for this kingdom to survive.
Wise one, if I may ask, how can we get this egg in question?
The egg in question is located not too far away from here. But my fear is if Akweke has gotten hold of it. The egg in question is located right at the center of the very forest where Olamiri was found. It is the egg of a python. But the gods have not revealed to me whether the egg is still there or not.
So, how do we identify the spot where the egg is?
First thing tomorrow morning, our youth will set out into Ezanim's forest in search of the egg. But they must return in 4 hours' time. There are signs that Akweke might arrive before the sun falls.
The girls are asking for too much. The price to pay is too much. Hey, this tradition is killing us. Hey. And we will make call on Odidinka, we call on Nezaki, we call on Oshimini. Because of peace and of tranquility, because of peace and of serenity, bless our land and bring fertility, that we may live
Father.
in peace and unity.
Father, what is it? You look troubled.
Yes, my son. Akweke is about to return to this kingdom.
Father, who is Akweke?
Akweke is the daughter of your rival, Ezanim.
And what is her mission in Obinato?
Olamiri the princess has been chosen to succeed her. But that we don't want to happen. That we don't want to happen. Because Ezanim has been defeated and has no right anymore over the citizens of this land.
Father, how do you intend to stop her?
I don't have the powers to stop her. But we are not supposed to allow her step her feet into the land of Obinato. Of all can see, had it been we are in possession of the egg of fertility, that would have given us the upper hand in this matter.
So, how do we get the egg of fertility? No need for a wasteful journey. The egg of fertility is now in Akweke's custody. The egg is now in her abode, where no mortal can visit, unless she dies.
Wise one, what does it take to reverse the deadly arrow? What is expected of me now?
Just fight! 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 Fight!
What is going on?
Your Highness, Akweke is here.
So,
Akweke is here.
What do we do now?
She stepped into this kingdom.
What do we do? What do we do?
Your Highness, I am confused. The battle I see ahead is far greater than expected. Your Highness, Ezanim seems to be indestructible now.
No. I cannot let Ezanim possess my only daughter. No, you have to do something about it. You just have to do something about it. You have to do something about it.
Your Highness, all hope is not lost. I have good news for you. Idiogbo will employ the services of the three river gods. Oshimili, Ududonka, and Wangere. And they will jointly destroy Ezanim. They will bring an end to Ezanim.
You are sure? You are sure?
The gods are very, very sure of themselves.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
The cause of the death of your sons has been revealed.
No. What did you just say?
You heard me right. Olamini, the princess, is betrothed to Eziani. The girls we all rejected during the Keji festival because Idiagbo defeated him. We abandoned the worship and we banished him from our kingdom. The only daughter, Akweke, who now serves him, needs a successor, and Olamini is destined to succeed her. And that is why no man can go into her and come out alive.
What?
Yes.
No. You mean Ezanim killed my sons? But I thought he was banished from this kingdom and never to return. No, have anything to do with the people of Obinato.
That was what we are meant to believe. But according to Akweke, the daughter of Esiani, she said Itiagbo was chosen as the first choice, while her father relegated to the post of deputy with few responsibilities, including that of the fertility of our people. Akweke has threatened to erase Obinato and make it history if our Igwe fails to allow Olamini to serve her fate.
Akweke, this battle is not between you and I. I am only a messenger of the gods of Obinato. The battle is between you, Oshimili, Ududonka, and Wangele.
Okoli, now you know your position as a mere messenger. Do yourself a favor and step out from my path.
Ta! I can only do that which is in accordance with the dictates of the gods. You have no option. You are not competent to give orders to me.
If you had poured this energy using ranting on a woman, Akweke would have given you fruitful children, unlike that fool given to you by your dead gods.
Ta! If it is the will of the gods, so be it. You have no option. You cannot do otherwise.
Then you will join your dead gods.
Akweke! Akweke! Oshimili! Ududonka and Wangere, in the name of Idiogbo, have defeated you in the past. Defeating you the second time will never be difficult for them.
Die! I am Akweke! I am Akweke, the king of goddesses! Ha! Who dares challenge me? Who is the Diabo? Who is the Diabo that crawls at my feet for attention? I lord over this land! I lord over the gods of this land! No mortals challenge me! Ha!
for can see the inhabitants of Obinato, offspring of Oshimili, faith of Udunka, rival of Ezanim, beneficiary of Wanga.
Igwe, what is happening? What calamity has befallen our kingdom, Igwe?
Akweke wants Olamiri, my daughter, to succeed her. That's all. And this is why she's creating all these problems for us. There's nothing else.
Igwe, shall we all die because of one soul? Shall we?
Your Highness, just like he said, if we all perish in this war, who then will Mbadike family rule in the near future?
We shall not all perish. By the way, Olamiri is not just any other head, no. On that head lies the survival of this traditional stew. If she succeeds Akweke, then that's the end of this stew. The lineage is over, it's ended. Therefore, I must protect her with the last drop of my blood. Across my heart.
Greetings, Igwe. What's after you? On my way back from the forest, I saw a dead body of a pregnant woman. Oh yes. And just on my way to the palace, I saw 3 more corpses of pregnant women.
Gods of our ancestors, what have we done to deserve this? What have we done? What have we done? Wise one, I am happy you're here. What is all this problem about? What have we done?
Akweke is already carrying out her threats. She will stop at nothing to ensure that Obinato ceases to exist in the near future. If we don't give in,
then let us give in to it and save Obinato's future. What are we still with him?
Yes. No! No. Akweke has no place in Obinato. I am for Kansi. I represent the 3 rivers that can destroy Akweke and Ezanim.
This is good news at least. Thank you very much, wise one. What will be our responsibility? What must we do?
A huge sacrifice is required.
What is the nature of that sacrifice? Tell me, and I, as the Igwe, I shall provide it.
21 virgins!
How? What do you mean by Olamiri succeeding Akweke will bring more division and crisis to the kingdom? I don't understand it.
Two captains cannot serve in the same boat. His name was rejected by our people. Offering him the princess as his princess will make him to return to this kingdom. And we cannot serve two gods at the same time. Yes. Remember what made us to run to Idiagbo and his three brothers, who have served us very well for decades now.
Are they not feeling us now? Are they not feeling us now?
No, they are not feeling us now.
Okay. If they are not feeling us, why did Akweke succeed in killing Okoli, the eye of the gods? Why?
Ofokansi made it clear that it was Okoli's fate. Remember, he also said that it has been written from one set. Which was the reason Udodonka, Wangenado Shimili, merged and incarnated through him. No kingdom serves two gods because the gods are partial. I advise that it is better we fight this war once and for all. Now we fight it once and for all.
Akweke, good to see you again. I want to bring to your notice, your doom is no longer far from now.
When a child thinks he's grown enough to seek that which killed his father, that which killed his father will kill him. I am Akweke, the virgin goddess, the king of all goddesses, the only fruit of Ezanim, nemesis of all. I did not expect to see you, so I will not stain my hands with your blood. So do yourself a favor and step out from my path.
I am the hope of all. I am rival of Ezanim. I am the three rivers that shield Obinato. I am of Okansi. I have been in existence even before my late father was conceived. I have come to destroy Ezanim.
And what makes a rabbit think he can hurt an elephant?
I came to destroy Ezanim. It is my destiny to destroy Ezanim. I shall live up to my fate.
I have taken you too lightly. And now you have become a major obstacle. And I must uproot you! Akweke! I am Akweke! I am Akweke! The king of goddesses! Ofokansi, look at you. You challenge the king of all goddesses! Ofokansi, who are you to challenge Ezanim?
Onye si na obuli obuli o mekini. Ada makwa na odogwu aka. Onye si na obuli obuli o nwere ife ọ ga-eme. Omu abo Ofokansi. Isi do na da agbo ncha. Ife ika de mo odogwu.
Ofokansi. Ofokansi! I underestimated you. And I'll be back to finish this battle you've started.
Isi do na da agbo ncha. Zemna faku eza. Onye si na obuli obuli o mekini. Anafala mo odogwu aka Ofokansi moske. Gada gadi ta na o na na. Dami bodo mo. Dami bodo mo. Na bodo mo ni te bodo mo. Agba ti na nka ni ma ho na anya. Abi na ni ma ho na anya. Aga fa ta bakana. Dami bodo mo. Dami bodo mo. Ni ma bani ma bakana ma ho. Dami bodo fa ta bakana. Ha. Ni mo na ndebo. No choose.
Papa, what was the general meeting all about?
Calamity. Calamity have just invaded our kingdom.
What calamity again? Papa, please tell us. Is it not the same ugly situation of pregnant woman dying?
It's possible Obi is pregnant. Look at her stomach.
May the gods strike you dumb for saying that. Are you the one that got me pregnant?
Who knows? If those boys have inserted something inside.
You seem to be talking out of experience.
Papa, one Chinyere. If she has nothing to utter from that stinking mouth of hers, she should better shut it.
I will shut up. Keep quiet. Wait, let me tell you, I did not call all of you out here to watch you argue or fight among yourselves. Do you hear me? Next time you try this rubbish before me, I will teach you people a lesson that you will not forget in a hurry.
Papa,
sorry.
You better be. Now listen. The 3 rivers have demanded 21 virgins for sacrifice to appease the gods of the land.
What? 21 virgins?
No, fight.
Is that not too much?
Shut up, this girl. Why are you interrupting him? Let him finish what he's saying. It's not like you're a virgin. Papa, please continue.
So, Papa, what did the cabinet say about it? Was it granted?
Well, the king yielded in. But the elders, we are still deliberating on the matter. But let us wait till tomorrow. We will not decide either to accept it or not.
Who are you? My name is Olamiri, daughter of Mbadiki, betrothed to Eziane, successor of Akweke. You confuse me. You speak in words I can't assimilate. The words I speak are the words you ought to speak. Tell your father to let you serve your destiny.
Suddenly my queen, Isioma, is here. You've been avoiding me for a very long time. So what brings you here?
My king, I wasn't avoiding you. Just that I decided to distance myself from you because of the embarrassment I get each time I come close to you.
I see. So, what makes you think you won't be embarrassed this time? Oh, by the way, I heard that you had some confrontation with Machi and that you were the worse for it.
King, I'm sorry. I was at fault. But I have decided to turn a new leaf.
Good. Look, this is the best decision you've taken in your life. And I wish to congratulate you for that. Congratulations. Good. Now to my very first question. What brings you here?
Wiki approached you in your dream and asked you to embrace your destiny?
Yes, mother. First, she appeared just like me, before transforming to her real self. And then she said something about me succeeding her and serving Ezianim.
It's okay. You don't need to worry about it. It was only a dream. Your fate is to produce an heir to the throne. Not to serve and worship an outdated god. No.
But mother, could this be related to the snake that has been appearing to me in my dreams?
Only the king has answers to that.
My king, I would suggest you let Olamiri succeed at
What? What did you just say? What happened to this kinship? What happened to it? Do you know what you're talking about?
Yes, Your Highness. If she does, the lives of the 21 virgins will be saved. My king, I'm still young and I can still bear you children. From the story, Ezanim is the god of fertility. If you let Olamiri succeed Akweke, with your influence as her father, you can convince her to open my womb so I can bear you enough children. Yes, my king.
You have no womb.
My king!
You have no womb. And whatever you're saying here now is inspired by jealousy. I want you to leave my presence. As a matter of fact, henceforth, before you set foot in this Obi, notify me so I can give an invitation to come in. Otherwise, don't come in again. You can now leave. Leave my presence!
Hey, this tradition is killing us. And we will make adjustment. We call on Nkene, we call on Odidinka, we call on Nezani, we call on Oshimini. Because of peace and of tranquility, because of peace and of serenity, bless our land and bring fertility, that we may live in.
What insolence! I know exactly what to do. Yes.
My queen, I'm sorry for what just happened.
How dare you! Who invited and who asked you to talk?
Your Highness, don't you think 21 virgins is too much? Why don't you allow the princess to serve her destiny? At least I will still keep her alive.
It is really not a question of mere sacrifice, no. It's about the survival of the traditionals too, of this community. I have spoken. I'm not going back on it.
I'm really sorry. Please, don't see me as talking too much. But don't you think there could be a mistake somewhere?
Wait, how dare you challenge the king? Don't you know Allah Olamiri succeed Akweke will mean bringing back Ezani to this kingdom? Don't you know that?
Your Highness, who authorized this impotent man to speak when an important discussion is being discussed here? Oh, because you don't even have a single child of your own. I see.
I can see. So your motive for kicking against the sacrifice of 21 virgins is to protect the interest of your useless daughters. Allow all of them to be sacrificed so that history will remember you for that.
I have had enough of this nonsense. I'm allowing two of you to talk like rascals and employ the language of gutter snipes because of the delicate nature of this situation. Otherwise, I would have thrown two of you out of my cabinet. I demand an apology now from both of you.
We are very sorry. Please, forgive us.
Please, forgive us, Siwi.
If you have two daughters, you donate one. If you have 5, you donate 3. I have spoken.
Why is he so wicked and heartless? His only concern is for his family to retain the kingship and not the good of Obinato.
Fortune, stop that lie. The Igwe took the right decision. Yes. We cannot afford to go back to days of terror the reigns of Ezanim brought upon us. If 21 virgins can save us from Akweke, so be it.
Ozemenam.
Huh?
Ozemenam.
Onemegi.
Are you the one saying this with your mouth? Eh? You that kicked against the tradition by not allowing your son to marry Olamiri.
Oh, I kicked against the tradition. You stood by the tradition and rebelled against me.
How?
Okay, good. Good question. This same tradition made me lose 2 of my sons. You have 5 daughters. Why not let go of 3 of them and keep 2? After all, they are useless, cost, and of no benefit.
Now I know I have enemies around me. Osemenam, I did not come to your house to be insulted. But now I know better. We shall see.
Are you threatening me in my house?
We shall see.
We shall see nothing.
We shall see.
We shall see nothing. Come, I have not finished with you.
Leave me.
Come
we
back.
No, stay in your house. We shall see.
Agbara.
I told you, don't worry.
Agbara, I am happy you are in this condition now. Thank the gods you are facing this. At least when next you see evil, you will simply condemn it. Thank the gods I don't have a daughter. At least. We shall see nothing. We are not going to see anything.
The sacrifice of 21 virgins must be made before midnight tomorrow. Any man who attempts to disflower any maiden shall die.
I shall put the information across to great one.
Mama, I am scared.
Scared of what?
I should be the one scared here and not you. I've
Mama,
told you that the gods will protect me.
Mama, it's not about you.
Then what?
It's about me.
What happened?
Mama, haven't you heard that the gods demand 21 virgins to destroy Eze and him?
Hey, what happened? Are you still a virgin?
Yes, Mama.
What have you been doing with Ikenna in your relationship?
I restricted him from touching me because I don't want to get pregnant and get banished from this kingdom.
Then what are you doing here? Leave!
Where are you both going to? They should be asking you to both that. What are you doing with your clothes when you should be in the Queen's mother's place?
See. There is no time for questions. I believe we all have the same agenda. I think we should leave here now before someone sees us and demand our head for sacrifice. I'm not ready to die now.
You all should continue talking on me. I'm out of here.
Please, let's go. Stay here, Abby.
Please now. Please now, please. Please do this.
Come back now.
Please.
I've been asking for this thing for a long time. You refuse to give me. Now you want me to enjoy it. Now why? You want me to enjoy it now?
Oh, see, now I love you. No, I love you very much.
Also?
It's just that I was stressing you and I was doing it so I know you love me very, very much. So that I will not make a mistake. Please now, but see, right now I've verified it. I've checked everything. I know you love me very much.
Biawanya, I don't love you.
Hey.
I don't love you again. Oh, you think I don't know? You think I don't know that you are offering me this thing now? Because you don't want to be among the virgins that will be sacrificed to the 12 rivers of Obinata, thereby endangering my own life. Or didn't you hear the town crier said that anyone who defiles a virgin this period will die? Didn't you hear it?
It's a lie, you. My love. It's a lie. See, they're just saying all that just to scare people away. You know we belong together. Come, let's do this thing. I know you want it. I know I want it too.
And you're not telling lies?
No, nothing will happen to you. Don't mind them. They're just saying it to scare people away. You enjoy it. Come on.
It's not that I don't like what I see. It's not that I don't like what I see.
You like it, darling?
Yeah, I like it too. What will happen is, I don't know if anyone is around. So, let's do this thing quick. Come on, let's do it.
Look at their faces. Stupid girls. Why are you girls afraid? It's not like you're virgins. We all know.
Why are we here listening to her? Let's go.
Let's go.
You are still here? What is she? She says that. Are you two not going to run away? No, stay here.
Papa, come. We are not running anywhere, Papa.
Do what, sharp?
No.
Hey, so this is where all this your shakara has ended.
Good day.
And you, Osita, shameless man.
We're not doing anything.
I'm heading straight to the palace.
Hey, please.
Oh, yes. Please. In fact, the Shrine, because that place will be more disastrous for you.
Please, Biko. Name your price. Name your price. Biko. Anything.
Yes.
Anything. Biko.
Please. You can have it too. I will give it to you.
Yes.
Yes, I will give it to you.
Yes.
Please.
Join me.
In that case, no problem. Then Osita, do yours and let me come and do mine. Quickly, please.
Okay.
In fact, wait, Osita. Oh yes, you had me. Wait. Look, I will be the one to unveil this package here. First. You had me.
But I was here before you now.
You are still arguing with me?
No,
in fact, I'm going to the palace or the shop. You think I'm joking here?
You go one side. Come and do it. Come on.
Please arrange yourself. Lie down now.
Okay.
Hey.
I'm doing this thing because of you. And because of the love I have for you. If not,
You know I love you too. Please come, let's do it fast. Ikena, wake up! Ikena! Somebody help me! Oh! Somebody help me! Oh!
are you think you three are going to? Why are you doing no answer?
Please don't harm me. I'm the only daughter of my parents. Please don't harm me.
So you guys want to run? Odogu, what are we still waiting for? Let's take this girl. Try.
Move.
I am move.
Move. Move.
Hey. You will never believe what I've been hearing in this village. My sister, thank the gods that I'm no longer a virgin.
You mean you are no longer a virgin?
I am not. So that's how I'll be running up and down, running heter-skelter, like Olama, Obi and Amara. Good God, I'm no longer a virgin too. My sister. They can't be gods. They are wanted for virgins.
Are you both still virgins?
We are not. If you doubt us, you can come and check.
Nwata m chọwara kamgbe echi. Kene dịrị Chukwu. Ahụ niile ajụọla m oyi. Mkpụrụ mma of all people. Is this how the gods work? So this is how I finally got what I have always wanted in a very long time. In a platter of gold. Without losing any single thing. Ihu nwata ọ na-achape. Chibo. Aleko. Thank you, wise one, for being here. I'm dying, no. I was bitten by a scorpion.
You cannot die.
You
You cannot die. Because you are part of me. It's only a warning for destroying a kingdom you are meant to be part of its savior.
I'm sorry, wise one.
Speak no more. And follow me. Anyogu, son of Achala, descendant of Idiobo, successor of Okoli, fate of Ofokansi. Welcome to your destiny. Ndị na-ekwere ga-emesịa kweta. Ndị kwere ekwe kwenyesia ike. Mgbe eji ekwu na ote ka ọ dị nso, a na-ama atụ otele ọ dị ka ọ dị n'ịda mana agbafaghị aka n'azụ afọ otele. Nwere onye a ga-agbala ọsọ. Okote okongu, mmụọ na isi, akwado oko onye ihu, oko onye azụ, egbetekwe nwere ga-atụkọ ọrụ gị, apịa oko. Gbuo onye ebe ime ozu, gbuo onye ebe ime ozu. Igbo ogoli nwanyị ebe ọka na ime ọhụrụ oje mgbe enwere ofe atawakana akwene ndị ka na ọma ahụ n'anya akwene ndị ọma ahụ n'anya agara ofe atawakana akwene na wigara ahụ n'anya anya
Mother, I'm tired. I am tired. I have caused this kingdom so much pain and agony. I have brought tears to every family in this land.
I have drawn criticisms to the gods the people protect. Mother, I have to put an end to this. I have to serve Ezianim.
No. No, my daughter, don't say this again. You cannot become the priestess of Ezanim. Your kingdom forbids it. They need you.
Mother, not when the entire kingdom is going down the mud. Can't you see it? Look at our pregnant women, all dead. The ones who just got married are yet to conceive. If Ezianim is truly forbidden, why then is the fertility of this kingdom determined by it?
This is one question no one has answers to. But one thing is sure. Your father will never allow you to succeed, Akweke.
Oh yeah. Hey, I'm going to that's not even easy. I had education. But they were you wrong. I is not going to have one I'm with you to go. Never and never. Now, when I find out some reason, I they want to get you.
The 7 virgin heads would return the egg of fertility from the abode of Akweke.
What is happening now was written for decades. This is a prophecy that has been in existence for generations past. You are destined to succeed Ukoli, who fathered me, because I can't fulfill my destiny while he is alive. You are the last son of Idiabo, the god of Obinato, and your destiny is to serve him. When I have fulfilled my mission, I return to my paradise, where I rule as a king. This is the fact that you and I alone must know. Ezanim was never defeated. He agreed to surrender and move away from Obinato. If only Idiabo we entrust him with fertility of Obinato kingdom, which Idiabo agreed to, but it was never discussed among the two gods that Ezanim would pick any priestess to serve him from Obinato. That is why we must serve him in his destiny.
Now I know better. I dreamt about this good 3 times. but I could not get any reasonable meaning out of it.
Akweke, why can't we just let this pass away?
This cannot pass away if Obinato will still be in existence.
But you know my father won't allow it. He needs an heir.
No man can go into you because you are Lamiri. You are immortal.
So, what do I do?
Follow.
She's going nowhere with you because you have no right over her.
You lie, Fokansi! You lie! She is my successor.
She can never succeed you. Obinato sent you away because of your wickedness.
Idiobo betrayed me. He invited his 3 brothers to shield the boundary of Obinato that I built.
Oh. Obinato! You have no place here. Idiabo never betrayed you.
I can dismantle Obinato. I can dismantle Obinato!
That is why I'm here!
Fokansi!
That is why I'm here.
Oh, Fokansi!
I'm here to save Obinato. That which you have in our board shall be retrieved from you soon.
Fokansi! Oh, Fokansi!
Do not be afraid. I am a Fokansi.
Wise one, what is the situation?
We must sacrifice the 21 virgins first thing tomorrow morning so we can take our kweke on our way. I shall be waiting at the shrine.
You can leave us now. So, to what do I owe this visit?
Why are mortals so ungrateful?
I don't recall any favor you did me that merits gratitude or appreciation. No. You are the goddess of fertility and yet you have not favored me, so what kind of gratitude are you expecting from me?
Badike, I spearheaded the return of Olamiri to Obinato. And you wouldn't have known of her existence if I had not knocked her out.
Would have been better for me not to know of her existence than that you brought her back to fulfill the selfish desire of succeeding you and making us worship a god we gave up on so many years ago. No, it will not happen. No.
Mbadike! So you rather see Obinato become history than see Olamiri fulfill her destiny?
I am history. I am history. And nothing happens without my consent.
Mbadike! Mbadike! I, Akweke, I am indestructible. And since you will not live to see Olamiri fulfill her destiny, you will see it from your grave. Mbadike! Mbadike! Mbadike!
Akataka dika na bogu nanya enene wito monyo yaga no ejemi mojoru odogu barangize maloku churi ya mama ifende mofulu nanya kwetezi adu oye na kwele kwetala ya makabalu go kosi elusinu olobudu nana lukolu iyo kofumbo samuro dika na bakamuli ne yandu.
Now you're looking more worried. What happened?
Your 3 sisters were caught trying to escape from the kingdom. And the Fokansas is preparing for sacrifice tomorrow.
Hey, Papa. Hey! Ah! Oh! My 3 sisters. My 3 sisters. So, that is how they will just sacrifice them. Hey!
Tell me it's not true. Tell me it's not true.
Lord, why did you do this to us? Why?
How will I live to watch my 3 daughters? My 3 beautiful daughters being sacrificed. Papa, relax. Papa, relax. Relax. Eh? Papa, you still have me. Chinere is here. We are both here for you, Papa. Just relax. You don't understand. Even though they have 12, they want to lose. They don't want to lose anyone. How can I be alive to watch my 3 daughters being sacrificed tomorrow before my very eyes?
Papa, I understand how you feel. I know. But tomorrow is still a very long time. They can still change their mind and they will come back home. You don't know the plans of the gods. They can be generous at times, Papa. They're a big phone, Papa.
Let them do it now.
Just relax. Relax, okay? Relax.
The right time is here. I call on you, Oshimili, Ududonka, and Wangana. Here are the 21 virgins we demanded for. We, the people of Ududonka, will present these 21 virgins to you. Please accept our token. Manifest your power and fight our battle. The 7 leading virgins step forward. Ote gombo ji mebi se wive nyadiwa o. Ye ewu wetite nyatiwa o. Nyatiwa ewu wetite o nyatiwa o. Note gombo ji mebi se wive nyadiwa. Go! 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 And the more corner then. The West now found in that cover, and the water we attack we lake with open. Oh, yes, now we will met again. Come! Step forward. The Bogo! The West Navanda calling. Step forward. Step forward. Step forward. Step forward.
Ha! You are well again. Oh.
Wait, Papa. What exactly happened to me?
The gods inflicted you with an ailment because you refused to marry Olamiri, according to tradition. But I believe the sacrifice of the 21 virgins has gladdened their heart and they decided to let you go. Hey! Thanks to the gods.
Papa, what virgins are you talking about?
The 21 virgins demanded by the 3 rivers for the destruction of Ezanim, who is responsible for the death of your 2 brothers.
Papa, this one you're talking about virgins. I hope Agrima, my love, is not one of them.
My dear, to be sincere with you, she is one of the leading virgins. Yes.
Papa, what?
She is.
Papa! Agrima! My Agrima! Papa? My Agrima! Agrima, my love!
Yes, now.
Papa! Where exactly is the sacrifice being performed?
What do you want to do? Don't even think of going there, because if you do, the gods will inflict you with more ailment, and that will be worst for you.
As if I care about the first one.
Thank you, virgins of Obinato. You have done noble, remarkable in the kingdom of Obinato. You've booked your names down in the history of Obinato. Kingdom of Obinato, we are so proud of you. I've not done this week. Oh yeah. For Ndebo na ndebo. Ndebo na faji ekwive. Ndebo na ndebo. Ndebo na faji ejife. Why na bukwa na oso na ejidali aka bu na oso achuwabe. Na oso chubi ona pali aka ona akọ pataka mpata maka na nwaanyị oke ike amala chimeli nkebu. Almost say it's normal if you boss out all. Ona boss ike na dachugi azu. Onye ndi ko ya so obulu ya ndị nwasị na obulu fa gịnị ka fa menwuru maka na afụrụ onye akọlụ ndị akọlụ akọ ndị asị ka atakwile kwunwụrụ dị nke bụ okwu. Mmụọ na isi. Okoto okongo oko onye ihe oko onye azụ nwata igwe na ala. Atụkọlụ nge. Ala ga ni da na agba ogun na ja mi be je mo aga gbo je be nu ko bo je mbe mi lo nu. Agwa ni ga na ma hu na anya. Agwa ni ma hu na anya. Ana na funa tabakana. Nna obi otim ni si o, tim na obi otim ni si ni. Eno na me na ba so ni ani lo je mbe mi lo funa tabakana. Agwa ni ga na ma hu na anya. Agwa ni ma hu na anya. Ana na funa tabakana. Bo je bi mo zu o, bo je bi mo zu. People going to never came of a cancer, not a canna, of a cancer, not a canna. With a band who heard him. I would have been a band who heard him. O'clock in the phone.
Igwe, I greet you. Ichie Okpara is attending to one of his daughters. He'll be joining us later.
Okay. Now we can hear from the chief priest.
The egg is now in our possession. It must be broken before it will serve its purpose.
Will it not cause more harm than we expect?
No! We break the egg, Akweke is destroyed.
And that is victory.
That's a good news.
No, that is it gives us cause for that is good. That's the rule.
Obodo na bayari o. Obodo na sogidigidi. Obu gini na-emezi o. Ay. The girls are asking for too much.
You sent the dead maidens of your land to defile my abode. Defile my abode and take my eggs so folk can see.
Akweke, I warned you, Akweke, that which you have in your body shall be retrieved from you soon.
Oh, folk can see you lie. You just dug your grave. And before you are buried in it, folk can see, I shall feed your body to the vultures. Oh, folk can see, I am still Akweke, the daughter of Esanim. Oh, folk can see, Esanim. Oh, the woman can Esanim. Esanim. Oh, folk can see, die! Die! I am Akweke, the daughter of Esanim. I am the king of all goddesses. Who dare challenge your fucking sin? You cannot challenge me. You dare not challenge Esanim, my father. I am Akweke. No!
If you can't do more, don't but they will be go. Anyog, son of Achala, you have just fulfilled your destiny. You are destined to save me and succeed Okoye. Anyog, son of Achala. And I'm quite another man.
Akataka dika na bogu nanya enene nwito omonyo yaga no ejemi mojoru odogu barangize maloku juri ya mama ife Samburo dike na bakabulu ya na babura na fadofu ya kalele be ya nuo inugo opa kosi menu akataka dike na bokulanya akataka dike na bokulanya abana ni amekwata nuo ene ni amekwata nuo ala wachiti na Yesu
azụ awele nke ya chachawu onye ebi imozu onye ebi imozu igbu ogoli nwanyị bụ ọka na-eme ọhụrụ
Akataka dịka na-akpọ okwu n'anya enene nwite ọgbọnyọ ya ga n'okwu echebe igbo ojoru odogwu gbara nkịtị mara okwu juru ya n'ọnụ ife ndị mmụọ fụrụ n'anya kwetezi ya nụ onye na-ekwere ekwetara ya maka na olugo ka o si eruzi nụ ọlọpụtụ na na nnukwu ọnụnụ iyo ofu mbọsị amụrụ dike na mba ka mụrụ ibe ya nụ mbọsa mụrụ dike na mba ka bụrụ ibe ya mana dike na mba mụrụ na fana ofu ya karịrị ibe ya nuo inugo ọkwa ka o si menuo akataka dike na-akpọ okwu n'anya akataka dike na-akpọ okwu n'anya akwa enedi ama ekweta nuo enedi ama ekweta nuo a na-agwọchi ntị na ya esugo ifugo n'ọkpọ ka nsị bụ odogwu maka na odogwu adị agba ọsọ n'ụlọ egwu adị atụ afọ wepụta ụzọ maka na nwanne nụ na-agba egwu n'ụzọ nwere nwanne nụ na-akụrụ ya egwu n'ime ọfịa n'ụlọ osimiri odudu nke na ngene na akụrụ m egwu m na-agbazi inugo akataka dịka na-akpọ okwu n'anya enene nwite ọgbọnyọ ya ga n'okwu echebe igbo ojoru odogwu gbara nkịtị mara okwu juru ya n'ọnụ ife ndị mmụọ fụrụ n'anya kwetezi ya nụ onye na-ekwere ekwetara ya maka na olugo ka o si eruzi nụ ọlọpụtụ na na nnukwu ọnụnụ iyo ofu mbọsị amụrụ dike na mba ka mụrụ ibe ya nụ mbọsị amụrụ dike na mba ka bụrụ ibe ya mana dike na mba mụrụ na fana ofu ya karịrị ibe ya nụ